Hey guys, Becky Tim's the Amazon Queen here, and in this video I want to show you exactly what Amazon FBA is. So FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and this is a beautiful business model where you have your product and you ship it to Amazon. Like you physically pack the boxes up and ship it to Amazon. You can either do it yourself and or have your supplier do it. So once you touch it this one time and ship it to Amazon, you literally do not touch it again. And that's what the Fulfillment by Amazon process is. So once your supplier ships the product to Amazon, Amazon stores the products in their warehouses that are located all around the world. And once the products are stored there, then any customer goes to Amazon, and let's say they are looking for a blue pen. So they type in blue pen and they hit enter, and they find your blue pen. This is your blue pen that you're selling, and Amazon goes to their warehouse. They find Becky's blue pen. They go in, they pull it out, and they pick it, and then they pack it in a box, and then they ship it to the Amazon customer. Now, once the customer receives this blue pen, they're like, yeah, I like this pen. They're very happy with it, and they leave an Amazon review. However, if they don't like this blue pen, they will call Amazon with all of their customer service needs, and you get paid like clockwork every 2 weeks. So basically, once you ship those products to Amazon, Amazon does everything else for you, and that's why it's called Fulfillment by Amazon. Now, to break it down to you another way, why is FBA the bomb? And the reason it is because you have a product created with your brand on it. Then you send the products to Amazon. Amazon stores your product in their warehouses. Then a customer goes to Amazon and buys your product. Amazon picks and packs your product in a box and ships it to the customer. And then when the customer receives it, Amazon handles all of the customer complaints or concerns. There's no need for you to store any products at your house or your car, your living room table. Your bedroom is not covered with products because they are sent and stored directly in Amazon's warehouses. And also, you don't have to hire any associates because that's what Amazon's there for. They are there to help you and serve you sell your millions of products on Amazon. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video.